You know what's awesome about Live Good? Any age, any age can do this. Any age group, um, social status. Your your only requirement is hopefully you have a nice place to sleep at night, and a cell phone or a computer, and just the will to kick ass. And you're 90% there. All right. Philippines just rocking it. South Africa. Oh my gosh, India to good old Canada and even Mexico and United States. Man, this planet is rocking when it comes to different cities and age groups. I'm very social. When someone signs up underneath me, the first thing I do is see their name. I look at what flag they have, what country. I like to email them and just say, hey, what's going on? Do you have experience or not? Do you need help in certain things? I just want to know that each person is an actual person that signs up in my group. And it is all over the place. I mean, I do not have like guys that like Harley Davidsons and long hair in my group. I'm the only one that looks like that. Everyone else is just rocking it. It's so exciting. Everybody from corporate jobs. I've got chefs. I have, oh my God, let's see, people that work in warehouses. I got other people that are experts in other groups or other opportunities that sell digital information. They're affiliate marketers, I guess, like ClickBank and some other things. Even people that said they'd never join this company. They're just going to stick to their, traditional MLM or, buy, the company sells you products at retail. Then you're supposed to sell them for more than even retail so you can get a back end bonus. I mean, those days of MLM, goodbye. Good luck, Avon. Good luck, New Skin. Good luck, Herbalife. Good luck to smaller MLMs that don't do billions like those companies do. Boy, God forbid, if you got a company that only does $100,000 a year, and you're an affiliate company based on old school, Avon type of marketing and prices, why don't you just join now? Get it over with. Build your downline. This company's brand new. It's got Pampers on. Right now, this company's still peeing its pants and it eats Gerber baby food. We should have Live Good baby food to feed the company. That's how new it is. We're already doing $9 million to $10 million a month just on product, and that has nothing to do with the affiliate side. So 350,000 worldwide. We only got about 55,000 in America. So if you live in America, only 1,000 people in each state even know about this, and you know that 75% of the people will not follow through. So you're only talking like maybe 5,000 people in America are taking Live Good seriously like I am right now by marketing, promoting, making videos, TikToking, Facebooking, emailing. I'm going to every nook and cranny right now as I build 5 accounts here with Live Good. I'm blasting, safely a couple thousand targeted emails per day. It's all automated at this point. I got my hands off the wheel. I got Nowsite Technology doing everything for me because, I got to admit, a robot definitely can outwork my ass. I tell it what to do and it doesn't complain, doesn't take smoke breaks, doesn't fake sick on Friday because it's 80 outside. So AI technology to me means ass kicking intelligence. It might be artificial, but it's ass kicking, So anyway, if you're interested in Live Good, just click the link below. Pardon me. Just click the link, watch the 6-minute video. Check out our products, look at our comp plan. And from there, if you want to go ahead and shake hands with me across the internet, let's do it. Let's get you some good advice, some good training. All right. Good techniques on what is working with Live Good, not broad stuff. Our training has to do with Live Good. All right. The group that I'm in is number 1 and number 5 and number 10 in this company. You can't, it's pretty cool, isn't it? I like their advice. I don't do exactly what they say, but if they tell me 10 things, I do 2, I do 3. And that's how I hope that the training I give you or show you, just take it with a grain of salt. If you can do it or if it seems interesting, give it a shot. Most of it's free. If you do artificial intelligence, it's either going to cost you $19, $49, or $99, depending on when you see this video or what promo codes are going on or whatever. But I tell everybody, just do it for 1 month. Go crazy and get some really good leads. Get like 5, 10, 20 people signed up underneath you and Live Good. And if you're making $1,000 a month and it costs you $99, it's pretty smart, isn't it? I mean, if you're making 500 a month and you're only doing, you only have to pay 49 bucks a month. That's kind of cool. I do whatever I can to get you guys promo codes. All right. And I feature them as much as I can. If you're watching this video, try promo code 19 or 49. Those are the two codes that we're working. And like I said, if you're watching this live, they are valid right now. Okay. As of June 2nd, 2023. The company Nowsite, they do a code for like a week, 2 weeks, then they change it to another code. It's exactly like GoDaddy or any other company. They just want to save you a couple bucks just to, make you buy some things or get a subscription, and then they'll do another one and another one. So I love it, man. I'm having a good time. And like I said, just click the links below and I'll make the video nice and short. So, okay, guys, talk to you guys next video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you'd like.